Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to share your screen in Zoom. So in this case, log into your Zoom first. After logging to your Zoom application, you can see here new meeting. Just click on new meeting. I'm covering my camera. Then the camera will open like this. Okay, and you can see here join with computer audio. Click on this and you can now stop the video. Alright, after that you are on meeting right now. How you can share your screen, you can see here in the green share screen. Click on this and you'll find different type of tabs. So what kind of screen you want to share, you'll be here. So if you want to share your whole entire screen, just click on this and you'll find here share sound. If you want to share sound, click on this, and if you want to optimize for video clip, click on this. But you don't need to do this, just share your sound will be good. Click share here. You can see here blue button and your screen is on live and screen is sharing. Okay, so how you can stop this, you can see here the red button, stop share. Click on stop share and your screen will be stop sharing. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.